In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see all of your saved passwords on Google. So being able to see all of your saved passwords on Google is useful if you have saved a password to Google and you have forgotten the password for that specific website. So first of all, what you need to do is log into your Google account, and once you have done that, you can come up to the top right hand corner of your screen, click on your profile picture, and then what that will do is it will give all these options here. So from here, what you need to do is click on Manage Your Google Account. Once you click on Manage Your Google Account, you need to come over to the left hand side bar here, scroll down until you find Security, and then select the Security tab. Once you select Security, you can then scroll down the page, and then you will see an option for Password Manager, which is right here in the middle of this option. If you click on Password Manager tab, what that will do is it will show you all of the websites where you have saved passwords on Google. So here I have Trello, Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook. So for example, if I wanted to find out my Instagram password, I would click on instagram.com and then it will ask you to sign in to your account. Once you have signed in to your account, as you can see, you'll be on this page here, and then I can reveal my password by clicking on this icon right here. Once you click on this icon, your password will then be displayed, or you can click on this to copy your password to the clipboard. So that's how easy it is to see all of your saved passwords on Google, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.